What's up, guys? Welcome to 2816. I'm Tia. I have the M4 of the channel, just so you guys know. Before I get into the video, do not click off because I really need your suggestions down in the comments below. It won't be a long video because, like I said, we like to get straight to the point. We don't cut around anything. Like, that's just what we like to do with our videos. Now, I don't know what to do with the car, okay? I am stuck between wanting a specific exhaust, wanting little things for the car. Okay, so malfunction here, but so there's three or four different things that I'm thinking about doing to the car. Okay, I kind of have my mind set on what I want to do, but I kind of want, like, you know, other people's opinion and everything. As we all know, the S55 engine, you don't get, you know, that aggressive V8 sound because it is swapped. It's an inline 6 twin turbo. So should I do an AWE non-resonated exhaust with catless downpipes, and it'll be by VRSF catless downpipes? Should I do that? I'll put a clip here. Basically, should I do it so it sounds like this? Another thing that I could do is a VRSF single mid pipe. I don't know. Dude, holding this camera is ridiculous. I'll show you guys what it looks like, okay? This is literally what I'm holding right now. This thing is gigantic. Look at this. My arm hurts really bad. Okay, so, or I could do a Valvetronic full equal length exhaust. It is about $3,000, and I don't know if I would really want to spend that much money on an exhaust, but from the sound of it, it sounds really good. I can also keep it stock. Now, a lot of people may disagree, but I actually like it stock. Now, of course, I do want it to be loud and all the pops and all this or that, but I really do like this. I do like the car when it's quiet, you know. I don't really want to ruin the sound of the car, but I also want an exhaust for the car. So I'm stuck between stock or going fully straight pipe. So I would need your guys' opinion. Please let me know down in the comments below, and I really appreciate it, honestly. I love feedback. I want to know what you guys think about it. What do you think about the M4, actually? It's a pretty sweet car, but I still have a lot of things to come for it, and I'm excited for you guys to, you know, tag along with it. Right now, I'm probably gonna go try and film 3 other videos, or 2 other videos, 3 today, 2 videos. We have to reveal that 3rd car of the channel, hopefully coming up here soon, and then we'll go from there. If you guys really like the channel, please like and subscribe. Comment down below. It really does help us out, and we're excited to keep this channel going. So if you guys like it, like and subscribe. And it's been 2816, and we're out. Peace.